Order of operations. Great idea to start with writing PEMDAS on the top of your page, as we did here. First example, 4 plus 3 times 5. According to PEMDAS, we have addition and multiplication, and as we can see, multiplication comes first. So let's rewrite everything. So 4 plus, and let's use parentheses when we can. 3 times 5, 15. Coming down, 4 plus 15, 19. Notice how the problem flows down and funnels to a final answer. This shows great work. Good practice. Example 2. 6 plus 4 times the quantity 8 plus 2. PEMDAS tells me to complete the parentheses first, so I'm going to rewrite everything. 6 plus 4 times and 8 plus 2. I get an answer of 10. In this case, now 6 plus 4 times 10. Multiplication first. So I have 6 plus 40. And finally 6 plus 40, and I get an answer of 46. Similar to example number 2, another alternate way of writing 4 times the quantity 8 plus 2 is having the 4 right next to the parentheses. Anytime you see a 4 next to the parentheses, as you see here, this implies multiplication. Example 3. 4 squared minus 2 times the quantity 3 plus 1. According to PEMDAS, I'm going to take care of parentheses first. So I have 4 squared minus 2 times, in parentheses, I have 3 plus 1. And I get an answer of 4. Again, following PEMDAS from beginning. 4 squared, I'm going to take care of my exponents first. 16 minus 2 times 4. Going down the line, again, starting from left to right from PEMDAS, I don't have any parentheses, no exponents. I do have multiplication. 2 times 4, 16 minus 8, and 16 minus 8, and I get a final answer of 8. Example 4. Typical question I would put on a quiz. 8 times 4 plus 6 times 3. Okay, we have a couple operations going on here. I have multiplication in more than one place. I have multiplication here, and I have multiplication here. You can do both of these simultaneously. 8 times 4, I get an answer of 32, plus 6 times 3, I get an answer of 18. And then finally, 32 plus 18, I get an answer of 50. Example 5. 7 plus the quantity of 2 squared times 3. Again, parentheses first. In my parentheses, I have exponents and multiplication, so I'm going to do my exponents first. 7 plus 2 squared is going to be 4 times 3. Still working inside my parentheses, I have 7 plus 4 times 3, which is 12. And then finally, 7 plus 12, I get an answer of 19. Example 6. Question here is, does PEMDAS ever fail? This is a typical mistake many students make. Now if we read PEMDAS left to right, it shows that multiplication is done first. However, if the only two operations in the problem are multiplication and division, then just like you read a book, just approach the problem left to right. So in this case, I'm going to do 10 divided by 2 and get an answer of 5 times 7, 5 times 7, 35. So again, if the only two operations in the problem are division and multiplication, read it and approach the problem just like you're reading a book, left to right. Example 7. Again, here we have multiplication, division, and multiplication. Again, only having multiplication and division. How should we approach this problem? If you said left to right, you are correct. So 6 times 3, you get an answer of 18 divided by 2 times 5. Again, I still only have division and multiplication. Again, left to right, 18 divided by 2, I get 9 times 5, 9 times 5, 45. Same holds true if you have nothing but addition and subtraction. So let's say I have 10 minus 4 plus 6. Again, PEMDAS shows you should perform addition before subtraction. Again, if you only have addition and subtraction, just like in the instance where you only have multiplication and division, just approach it left to right. 10 minus 4, I get an answer of 6 plus 6, and 6 plus 6, I get an answer of 12. Let's try a few from the worksheet. 15 divided by 3 squared plus 9 divided by 3. Okay, again, I would always write PEMDAS on the top of my page to assist me. So in this problem I have multiple operations. I have division, addition, and division, and I have parentheses. So let's follow PEMDAS as close as possible. We have parentheses. In my parentheses I have 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And again, I'm going to rewrite the rest of the problem to help me keep organized. Organization is key. I have parentheses. Nothing I can do inside my parentheses, but I do have exponents. Here I have 5 squared. 5 squared is 25 plus 9 divided by 3. Again, rewriting everything. Now again, I have addition and division. PEMDAS tells me to do my division before my addition. So I have 25 plus 9 divided by 3. I get 3. And last but not least, 25 plus 3, and I get an answer of 28. Take your time, write out all your steps.